We see Mr. Ashok Kularia today as the MD of the ANJ Group, but what we don't know is how you were when you were younger. Can you tell us a little bit about your school and college days?
So I was a good boy, nice kid, sitting on the first bench till I was in the seventh standard, getting good grades. Papa's boy, always top 2 3 in the class.
Right.
It changed for me when I went into eighth standard. Somewhere I got friends with three guys who were all failures of that class, and no one would want to sit with them. And unfortunately, on my first day, I went late, and I was the only there was the only seat left. The two guys sit on a bench, so three of them were sitting in one corner, and one seat was empty. So I ended up sitting there, very scared because you're always scared of your guys who fail in the class because they're seniors to you.
Right.
Everything changed for me that day in a way in my life because I got so close to them. They became my best friends.
Uh-huh.
They were failures, but they enjoyed life. They taught me how it's not only just about going to the class, studying, coming first or second in a class. It's about also being happy and enjoying what you're doing.
Right.
And that's something that has, trust me, stayed with me throughout my life. And I think that was one of the key things as a kid I was, and did change me. I became very notorious. I would be thrown off the class. I would be one of the most, notorious kid with teacher yelling at me all the time, even till I went into my college days. That streak continued in me and made me very, in a way, very aggressive with respect. I would look at things in a positive way and not just bottle up and sit in one corner. I think these are
Right.
some of the things that stayed with me from a kid I was.
Did this continue even during your engineering days? I guess you did engineering for your undergrad.
Yes, I did engineering from a college called Sardar Patel College of Engineering, commonly known as SPC. And yes, I was very notorious even then. I mean, I don't have any regrets, and I think I enjoyed my life while I was
Right.
studying. Though I did study, I did not, have bad grade throughout my studying career. But I kind of, became very active, and it taught me a lot of things.
Right. So, so did you always choose to get into engineering, or was it like a organic choice, or how was it like?
No, so I was, as I said, a studious kid listening to whatever Papa said. Papa said, "Doctor, yes, Papa, doctor banna hai, haan, doctor banna hai." So kept preparing for my medical till I was in the 12th standard, and then I had a weak eyesight. So someone came and told my dad, look, medical में तो बहुत पढ़ना पड़ता है. So why don't you try engineering? It's slightly
Right.
lesser study. So dad said, "बेटा engineer बनना है." I was like, "हाँ, Papa, engineer बनना है." So I got into engineering. I decided to do engineering after my dad told me to do engineering. And then while I was doing engineering, then the whole thought of going to US, studying there, living there, a nice, much better life, not compared to how we live in India, those thoughts came up. And I was never supposed to be in contracting. Till my last year of engineering, when I realized that if I have to go to US, I'll have to be washing my own clothes, I'll have to be washing my own bed sheet and utensils, and I have to do everything on my own. And that was something which was very difficult for me because I was a little pampered kid.
Right.
नहीं यार ये सब तो होने वाला नहीं है, let's get into dad's business. And I think it was a right decision because I grew up in this environment, so it made me more comfortable and it became a passion for me. So that's how I was never supposed to be in this industry. Was supposed to be a doctor, then an engineer, and then I'm a contractor or a
Right.
vendor of carpet interiors.